Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain Shedinja's unique abilities. Shedinja is a truly special Pokémon, known for its exclusive ability called Wonder Guard. This incredible power makes it immune to nearly all direct attacks. Only moves that are super effective against it, along with status conditions or environmental effects like weather, can cause it damage. To get Shedinja, you first need to catch a Nincada. When your Nincada evolves into Ninjask at level 20, a unique event occurs. You must have an empty slot in your party and at least one Poké Ball in your bag. If these conditions are met, Shedinja will miraculously appear in your party right alongside your newly evolved Ninjask. It's a 2-for-1 evolution. Fortnite features a wide array of weapons, each with varying rarities from common to legendary, indicated by color. You will also find crucial items like shield potions, health packs, and different types of ammunition. Always search chests and supply drops for the best gear to improve your chances. Efficiently managing your inventory, which holds up to 5 weapons or utility items, is key to survival. Prioritize what you carry. Many trainers wonder about a sturdy Shedinja, but it's important to clarify that Shedinja's ability is exclusively Wonder Guard. The sturdy ability, which prevents a one-hit knockout, belongs to other Pokémon. In this game, a Pokémon's ability is fixed and cannot be changed or swapped. Therefore, there is no legitimate method to obtain a Shedinja with the sturdy ability. Its unique power lies solely in Wonder Guard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.